In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your PayPal account in just 5 minutes. Verifying your PayPal account is an essential step to ensure that you can make transactions smoothly and have access to all the benefits PayPal offers without interruptions. So, sit back and follow along as we make this an easy and stress-free process. First, you'll want to navigate to the PayPal website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the PayPal web address. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. It should be prominently displayed, typically at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, fill in your email or phone number along with your password, and then press the login button. It's a straightforward step, but remember to double check your details to avoid any errors that might delay the process. Now, PayPal often requires an additional security step called two-factor authentication to verify identity. You'll be given options here. Click on either get a WhatsApp text or simply get a text. Choosing one of these will send a security code to your phone, which adds an additional layer of security and ensures that you're the one managing your account. Next, once you've entered the security code and been successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the PayPal homepage. From here, it's time to head to your account settings to initiate the verification process. Look for the settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon on the top navigation bar. Clicking on settings will lead you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your PayPal account. Now, focusing on the verification, you will want to click on email within the settings menu. This section handles your contact information, which is crucial for the verification process. Here you should see your registered email address with an option next to it that says confirm. Go ahead and click on confirm. PayPal will then send a confirmation email to your registered email address. Head over to your email inbox, find the message from PayPal, and follow the link provided to complete the verification process. Verifying your email not only strengthens your account security, but also ensures smooth transactions and communication with PayPal. Once you've clicked on the confirmation link in your email, you should see a confirmation screen from PayPal indicating that your email is now verified, and just like that, you've successfully verified your PayPal account. With your account now verified, you can enjoy all the features that come with a fully operational PayPal account, such as transferring funds, shopping online, and receiving payments with no hitches. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your seamless PayPal experience.